Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a Hello Kitty dressed as Stitch. So first, for the middle of her face, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big sideways oval. So in the center, we're going to curve this line around and then back in on the bottom. And then starting back on the top, we're going to close off the side of the face now on the right hand side, curving this line around and then back in on the bottom. In the middle, for the nose, we're going to draw in a smaller sideways oval. Now for our eyes, on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in another oval. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now on the top of both eyes, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight. And then for the whiskers on the inside, we're just going to draw in 3 curved lines as we come down on both sides. Let's move up now on a diagonal, and on the right hand side we're going to draw in the bow. So in the top here we're going to draw in a nice big circle. On the top we're going to curve this line around and then in on the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing, moving down across on the bottom again. In the middle now, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then again, doing the same thing on the bottom. Now let's draw on the rest of the head. So on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the left-hand side. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then in on the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. So we're going to curve this line around, bringing that underneath in the middle. Now let's draw in the nose in the center for Stitch. So we're going to draw in another sideways oval, just making this even bigger. For the nostrils on each side, we're just going to curve this line out. Now for the eye, on the right hand side, we're going to bring this line down, across, and then back up on the side. On the left-hand side now, we're going to bring this line down, across, and then back in on the top. Now from here in the middle, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for our eye. And then we're going to move across on the right and replicate that, bringing that around from our bow in towards the bottom. On the top right-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now for the ears, on the right-hand side, we're going to bring this line out. And then from that corner on the top, we're going to curve this line back around and then in on the bottom. And then now from the side, just curving this line around and then down. Let's draw in our ear over on the left-hand side now. So we're going to curve this line up and over. And now from that point, just curving this line back around and then in on the side. On the top, we're going to curve this line down, out, and then back in. And now again, we're going to draw in 3 whiskers. So we're going to curve this line out as we come down. And then we'll do the same over on the left. Now let's draw in the body. So in the middle, we're going to draw in a small circle. On the left-hand side, curving this line around and then bringing it back up on the right. Let's draw in our hands now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. We'll do the same thing on the left. Again, in the center, we're going to curve this line around, back down. And then for our thumb, just curving this line back in. Now from the corner for the top of the arm, closing that off, bringing that up on the side. And now in the middle, we're just going to draw in a circle. And then we'll replicate that over on the left. For the center of the legs now, moving down, we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. On the right hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then up. And then we'll do the same on the left. Now for the toes, just curving this line down. We're going to do that 2 times in total. And then we'll do the same on the left. And that is it. That's how you draw Hello Kitty a stitch. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.